I'm going to discuss the types of tripod heads. If you're in the market looking for the what kind of tripod that you can use, or the type of tripod heads that you need, then this video is for you. So I have the three of the most commonly used tripod here. So this one is the ball head. This is the most commonly used uh, tripod head. So the way how this works is very straightforward. We have this for the horizontal positioning, and this big adjustment is for this ball head adjustment. So the good thing about this ball head is it's very flexible, and you can position your camera or gadgets in any angle. We have this 360-degree markings at the bottom, which is pretty common for all tripod heads. To insert your camera, you just need to unlock this one and to tighten it to secure your device. Now we have this labeling options here, which is it's going to help you label your device, especially when you are in an inclined position, to ensure that your camera is in a perfect 90 degree. So that's the first tripod head. And the second tripod is a little bit different. You can see there's more interlocking mechanism, and same thing, it has this horizontal adjustment here. One difference is this one, it has a lever. This allows you to adjust or pan your camera from side to side, up and down, without touching your camera or your gadget. And the good thing about this type of tripod head is because even if even if you loosen this one, the screw that is holding this, you will still feel some kind of resistance. So this allows you to use this on capturing videos or panning it, because it prevents you from the resistance here prevents you from doing a jerky movement. So you see some missing component here because I broke in the screw and I just replace it. So this is just to show you how these things work. Now we have this, of course, the screw that is supposed to be here can control the angle of this, the tilting angle of the camera. We have a tool labeling device here, which is very nice to have, and this one has a quick release mechanism. So unlike this one, wherein you need to untighten it or to tighten it, this one is you just release this one by pressing this button. So that's the second tripod head. The third tripod head is this video head. This is the most the best of them all, especially when you are capturing a moving subject like wildlife or any sports. What happens is, even if you unloosen this one, this adjustment for the vertical panning, there's always some kind of resistance that prevents you from a jerky movement. This translates to a very smooth and flawless captured videos, especially when you are trying to capture flying birds or any sports. Same thing here in the horizontal panning. Even if you untighten this fully, there's always some kind of resistance. So basically, this is designed for taking moving subject. And we have this big lever that allows you to pan your camera without touching the device or the camera itself. And you have this extra mechanism here. So this one is the attachment that you will attach to your camera or device. And then once you insert this one here, notice there's no way you can accidentally drop your camera or gadgets to the ground, even if this is loosened, because we have this locking mechanism. The only way you can remove it is you have to push this one, and that's it. So this is what makes this a little bit special. Okay, so if you want to tighten this one, you just tighten this adjustment here, and there you go, it's secured. So these are the 3 types of tripod heads that's you can buy in the market. Both of these two are the cheaper ones. If you just want to take photography, then this ball head will work for you. But if you want to record a video of a moving subject, these two, this is the one that you need. Of course, this first and second tripods are a little bit cheaper compared to this video head. This is twice more expensive than any one of these 2 tripod head. So that's about it for this 3 types of tripod head. And if you enjoy this video presentation, don't forget to subscribe so that you will be notified on my new incoming video uploads about photography in general, cameras and computer.